I hope you are giving your exams very properly. Now, today I have come up with only two questions of squares and square root. So, let's see what is there in question number one. So, find the square root of 9604 by prime factorization method and as well as in division method. So, first of all, we'll see how to find out the square root by prime factorization method. So if it is in the question paper you see find the square root by prime factorization methods, then you will follow this process. So 9604. So you have to do the prime factorization, that is divisible by 2 as because the last digit is even number. So 2 4s are 8, 2 8s are 16, 0, 2. Now again it is divisible by 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 0, 1. Isn't it? Now if it is divisible by 2 or not, no, the last digit is 1. So it is not divisible by 2. Let's see if we add up all those digits, that is 2 plus 4 is 6, 6 plus 0 is 6, 6 plus 1 is 7. So it is also not divisible by 3. It will not be divisible by 5 also because the last digit is neither 5 nor it is 0. So that there is very possibilities that it is divisible by 7. So if we divide by 7, the answer would be 343. Okay. So now if we divide 343 with 7, the answer would be 49. Now again 49 is divisible by 7. 7 ones. So what is the square root? 9604, that is 2 2s are there and 1 2 3 4 and 4 7s are there. So we know that we have to make a pair of every factor, and for each pair one digit will come out from the square root. So what is the number? The number is 98. That means 98 into 98 is 9604. This is how you will find out the square root by prime factorization method. Let's see if I do the division method for the same number, how to do it. Okay. Now, division method. Division method. For division method, you have to write this. You have to make this table. Okay, now you have to pair it from right hand side. You have to pair it from right hand side. This. I hope you remember the table. 1 1s are 1, 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9. So what is the closest number that we can go? That is 7 7s are 49, 8 8s are 64, 9 9s are 81. So 9 9s are 81. So we'll subtract it. So if we subtract it, 6 minus 1 is 5, 9 minus 8 is 1. So this both the digit will come down, students. Now we have to add up. As because I have written 9 here, so you will put 9 and do addition. 9 plus 9 is 18. Yes. And you will give 1 dash out here. Remember? Now, whichever number you will put it here, you will also have to multiply with the same number. So what is the last digit? 2. So what were the possibility? 2 2s are 4. And 8 8s are 64. So in both the cases the 4 is there in the unit digit. So we'll test with only these two numbers only. So first of all, let's see if I put 2 here and if I multiply with 2, what is the answer? 2 is a 4, 2 8s are 16, 1 364. So it's not matching. So another number is what? 8. So 8 8s are 64, 4 and 6. 8 8s are 64 plus 6 is 70. That is 7 will go as a carry. So 8 1s are 8 plus 7, 15. So now see, we are getting the number. So you will put it 8 here. I hope you remember the sequence. First 8 here, then you will write 8 here, and at last you will write this number. Okay, please maintain this sequence. This, then this. Okay, so the square root of 9604 is equals to what? 98. This is your answer. Okay, so please read carefully which method has been asked. Okay, whether the square root has been asked to do by prime factorization method or division method. Okay, so let's move on to sum number 2. Now Sum number 2 is find the smallest number that is divisible by each of the number 4, 9 and 10. So what is the first thing that you will do? You will first find the LCM. That is LCM of 4, 9 and 10. You will add it up. Okay. So first of all you get it 4, 9 and 10. So the two numbers are divisible by 2. 2 is a 4, 9 is not divisible by 2, so we'll just keep it as intact. 2 5 is a 10. I believe there is no such number. This is a prime number, this is a prime number. So we'll multiply all the numbers to 2, 9 into 5. So 9 2 is 18, so it is 180. So LCM of 4, 9, 10 is 180. Now we'll do the prime factorization of 180. Please see the process how I am approaching. Okay, the first thing that I did is the LCM of 4, 9 and 10. Okay. Now whatever the LCM you will get, you will find the LCM of this. So 2 90s are, 2 45s are, 3 15s are, 3 5s are, and 5 1s are. Okay, so prime factorization of 180 is equals to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. So we see these two factors are in pair, but 5 is not in pair. So therefore 180 is not a perfect square, isn't it? So any number which is a perfect square, then it's all the factors will be in pairs. As we see that 5 is not in pair, so 180 is not a perfect square. So in order to get a perfect square, each factor, that is each factor of 180 has to be in pairs. So these two factors are already in pairs, but 5 is not in pairs, so we have to make 5 as a pair, isn't it? So you will write therefore 180 should be multiplied by 5, okay, to make it a perfect square. Okay, so let's see what will happen if I multiply 180 with 5. Hence the required square number is 180 into 5, that is 9. So 900 is a perfect square number, okay, which is divisible by 4 also, which is divisible by 9 also, and which is divisible by 10 also. Understood how to do this sum? This type of sum will carry 3 marks, students. Okay, so practice this all sum. These are very important sum for your upcoming exam. Thank you and take care.